Today we will be focusing on I am affirmations. Today we are using a 432 Hz frequency. This frequency is highly correlated to healing and universal connection. Affirmations are the harmonious interaction between our conscious and subconscious mind, scientifically designed to direct you towards your higher purpose. These affirmations will help you tap into the infinite power that lies within you, allowing you to connect greater to the world around you and the universe within you. Tap into your deepest desires you would like to see come to fruition, creating a richer, more abundant life, living the life you have always dreamed of. Use these powerful affirmations to bring calm to your day, trust in the journey towards your dreams, and a peaceful knowing that everything you are doing is already creating a ripple effect outward into the universe and the journey that lies before you. When you are ready, take a deep breath. For those in bed, you may lie on your back, palms beside you, gently keeping your eyes closed. Others may find a calm room to sit on the floor cross-legged. If you are in a chair, keep your legs uncrossed, foot palm to ground, relaxing your palms on your knees. Place your palms up to receive energy around you. Eyes closed. Let's take a breath for a count of 3 in and out. Breathing in and out. And in and out. Really take that breath in and out. And let's begin. I am present. I am grateful. Thank you. I am ready. I am love. I am loved. I am connected to Mother Earth. I am at one with the universe. I am at one with everything. I am in alignment. I am the universe within. I am in the here and now. I am present. I have everything I need within me. I am motivated. I am allowing. I am receiving. I am co-creating in this universe. I am choosing. I am connected to all living things. I am connected to everything there is. I am love. I am honoring myself and others. I am respecting myself and others. I am confident. I am strong in the person I am and the person I will become. I am kind. I am caring. I am loving. I am in alignment. I am vibrant. I am light. I am smart. I am intelligent. I am full of gifts. I am healthy and active in the body I've been given. I am grateful for the body I've been given, from my head to my toe, and everything my body allows me to do. I am active and healthy. I am full of life. I am creative. I am fearless. I am worthy. I am a fiery being. I am a passionate soul. I am a child at heart. I am in touch with my inner child. I am worthy. I am healing. I am a healer. I am the calm to someone's storm. I am the miracle within. I am aware of my surroundings and acknowledge the beauty and details which surround me. Thank you. I am present. I am a grateful heart. I am fulfilled by my gratitude. I am a person of gratitude. I am grateful. Thank you. I am fulfilled. I am constantly growing. I am patient. I am confident. I am proud of who I am. I am free. I am priceless. I am reliable. I am trustworthy. I am a person of admirable character and integrity. I am happy. I am my best self. I am abundance. I am a beautiful being inside and out. I am growing daily. I am in love with all that I am. I am my number one fan. I am my number one believer. I am unshakable in my path. I am creating the life I dream of. I am the positive outcome of my positive intentions. I am aware of my thoughts, and I choose only positive ways of thinking. I am aware that thoughts become beliefs, and I choose only positive, loving, intentional belief systems that honor me. I am visualizing with intention and clarity everything I desire. I am at one with the universe. I am in alignment. I am honoring my highest self. I am healthy. I am valuable. I am loved. I am a bright and vibrant being. I am light. I am peace. I am love. I am accepting of change and growth. I am full of joy. I am full of love. I am the universe within. I am making all of my dreams and desires come true. I am the creator of my destiny. I am a positive energy. I am attracting all I desire. I am abundance. I am grateful. I am at peace. I am calm. I am ready for what the day will bring. I am ready for life. I am joyous. I am laughter. I am positive energy. I am positive, contagious energy for those around me. I am strong. I am powerful. I am resilient. I am unshakable in my pursuits. I am closer to my goals every day. I am committed to the journey and the path for which I have chosen. I am life and all that is living. I am the universe. I am at one. I am co-creating all I desire. I am peace. I am love. I am everything I desire to be. I am.